How to install TrollStore on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install TrollStore on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So for that you need to make some changes in your settings app. Open your settings and make sure that you are connected to a very strong internet connection. If you're connected to mobile data, make sure that it's 5G. After that, scroll down and find the option General. Here, scroll down and click on VPN and device management. Make sure that you're not connected to a VPN. Then come back and click on iPhone storage and check that you do have enough storage available. Then click on background app refresh and make sure that this is turned on. You can see that it is turned off right now, so I'll just turn off my power saver mode. Now you can see that the background app refresh is on. Then go back and click on screen time. Scroll down and click on content and privacy restrictions and make sure that this is turned off. After you have done all these setting changes, you're good to go. Now go back and open any of the web browsers that are on your phone. I have Safari, so I'm going to click on it. Then go to the search bar and search for TrollStore and click enter. Now you can see that this is the application you need. Make sure it is authentic, that is trollstore.app, and click on it. Once you do that, you'll be redirected to the official page. You can see that this is available for iOS versions 15.5 to 16.6 and also for iOS 17 release. Give it a read and then just click on download. Or you can even go further down and click on install any IPA you open in it. When you click on that, this is TrollStore 2 and a pre-signed jailbreak tool. This is an app that can permanently install any IPA you open in it. So just click on install and successfully install TrollStore on your iPhone. So that's basically how you can install TrollStore on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.